What's up, y'all? I'm Matt Latham, board certified master arborist and tree expert here in Houston. Hey, I wanted to tell you something funny. You see, yesterday we were posting on our Facebook page on Arborists on Demand about mulch volcanoes and about piling up debris and about grass and landscape shrubs, plants, things like that growing up against your trunk and how harmful that can be. And you know, I was out looking at some trees today, and guess what I come home to right in my very own neighborhood is these lovely, very hardworking gentlemen out here piling trailer load after trailer load of mulch all up on these trees, and you've got at least about 6 inches of mulch here. This is a prime example of what a mulch volcano looks like. A couple things are happening here is this tissue that they're burying right along the transitionary tissue from the trunk to the roots is actually a big part of how the tree breathes. It takes up a lot of oxygen in this region. It's very important. Trees need to breathe just like you and I do. You can actually see a lot of these roots coming up here for air right now. The other thing that happens is this will actually create a perfect growing environment. As we get these spring rains that are sure to come here in Houston, what's going to happen is moisture will get trapped there, and wood and water just plain don't mix. It's a perfect breeding ground for fungus, pathogens, things that can consume the tree, kill it, and leave you calling us to fix problems. So do yourself and your trees a favor. Don't let your yard guys or your landscape guys or you guys get ambitious, come out here and do mulch volcanoes. It's very bad. If you've got grass or landscape plants growing up against your tree, create at least 6 inches of gap there. That's very important. That'll help dry that area out and prevent future problems. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like this, like it. If you've got questions, go ahead and drop a comment down below. And go ahead and subscribe for more great tips on how to take care of your trees. If you have more questions, we've got a great education resource on our website at arboristondemand.org. Thanks again for watching.